So I'm trying to connect my controller, which it's working, not working, but it would come up as DualShock. Tell me why on iPhone that it does not, none of this pops up. None of this pops up whatsoever. So they're able to access my devices regardless. There's no privacy. These people are straight up fucking stalkers. Like, I can't even play video games. They're literally preventing me from being able to play video games. What am I supposed to do here? Like, I'm following program. I'm still being harassed by people. Like, these people cannot justify what they have been doing to me since a child. Now that I'm old enough to record all of this, they're trying to have me incarcerated for literally building enough data to have them put in prison. There's no other way to even say that. That's the only way I can address that. From the child abuse to the torture to the abuse from the education, being the schools that they sent me to and the church, and all of them are involved, and they're still having me go through all of this over and over and over again. So I just downloaded this app. They're charging somebody, and if not, they're charging me for this. I just downloaded this app. It was 100 and something 1.07 either megabytes or gigabytes. Now it's not deleting. And it just disappears. So it's like, it doesn't, this phone is being, both of these phones are being used by someone else at this exact same moment. There's no way that, other than myself. So what I'm about to show you is the amount of data that they just stole. You see how long it takes for it to load? Meanwhile, someone on the other end is watching everything that I do through a camera. I want these people charged and put in prison. So, my unit is on Bluetooth. So that means anything that's plugged in and hooked up to electricity is being projected outside of this unit. without consent. That was not in the contracts that I signed. So that is one breach of contract. You've already had a 24-hour notice prior. So they said 10.8 gigabytes has been used for hotspot tethering. 13.2 gigabytes. This is the last screenshot. No, I can't. It's not letting me swipe. It lags to swipe, so it creates its own glitches regardless of the processors in this phone being too small and slow. So that was at 82%, I think. Like I feel like they do this for this exact same reason, because it creates a systematic lag. They've created Trojan programs within their own devices to steal data, identity information, so it makes it look like a glitch. Meanwhile, they just route it to somewhere else, that being a satellite. Because this isn't attached to anything. This is all Bluetooth. All of this stuff was already loaded onto this cell phone. But they're pretending like they're using the SIM cards. So I was that at 43%. Or that was at first. So 43. I didn't want to load in the screenshots. So 71%. And it deleted the screenshot, I believe, at 80%. Or it didn't load. Regardless, I'm suing this phone company and its allied phone companies. Look at, what is this doing? I didn't touch the screen. It's using that small amount. Look at this. iPhones don't even do that. Regardless of me having the same problems with iPhones. So these companies, through the YMCA social services and, well, whoever these things are made by, are 100% liable for everything that's been going on, including me being stalked. And I have proof that I have been being stalked. They have been and have attempted to destroy this evidence, destroy evidence, destruction of evidence, tampering with evidence, coercing me, threatening me, intimidation of witnesses. Well, and killing witnesses. These people are killing witnesses, more than likely within the last 90 days, past 6 months, past 12 months. As crazy as it is, I'm probably next, because I'm still gonna keep exposing this stuff.